Hey, it's Joe Glines, the Automator, and I was just looking around, and Anthropic had this new update, so I started looking into it, and one of the first projects I found that someone had published was this code converter, and it promised to convert any language to any language. So I went into it, and I went in here, and first AutoHotkey wasn't listed, but I updated the project to just say, hey, include both AutoHotkey V1 and V2 in both the source and the destinations. And so I did a little test here and just said, hey, here's V1 code, convert that to V2. And bam, it did a great job of it. But really, really cool, right? I'll share this URL, I'll put up here if you want to access this. I don't know if you have to have a Claude paid account, probably to access the project, but it is public. But still, just really cool, right? So let's say I had some Python code and I wanted that converted into AutoHotkey V2. I did come over to, let's say here, this is some random Python code that I created. So I'm going to paste that there. This is Python. Convert that to AutoHotkey V2. And here we go, right? So I should be able to copy this. Let's see how it does. It looks overall right. I'll open a toolkit, just so I can run it as like a temp file. So it's going to go, it's each one is a message box independently. Very, very, now you know my my processor, yeah. So, all of those were OS, release, version, oh, I see, so, yeah, so that one, I would say wasn't perfect. It is pulling system information, but the release OS, that all says OS version. Which it has the OS version, but not the system. Yeah. Let me see here. So platform system release version processor. Well, I got the processor right. I'm not sure if the system. I'm not sure if that one is correct, but still, really, really cool, right? This is the future of where things are going. I was talking to Irfan about it, and I'm like, if you do API calls, you'll go to a website and say, oh, I can give you a Python example, an HTTP example, a curl example, a Ruby, but never AutoHotkey, right? But in the very near future, any API you're trying to connect to will give you whatever language you want, right? Just really, really cool. So I hope you enjoyed that. Again, we use AI in our hero group more and more, and we talk a lot about it. So if you're interested in using AI to help you program or to do other stuff, really consider that group. It's an awesome group. Check it out. Have a great day. Please like the video if you learned something here. It really helps us out. Cheers.